I think it's easy to say that I am many different kinds of nerd.
Wow, look at that.
She doesn't mind letting her nerd flag fly.
I don't really make any effort to hide that. I think that's just a fantastic quality to have.
But I'll tell you, that girl, she is like a walking encyclopedia. If you're ever looking for a Trivial Pursuit partner, Lily. She's a trivia meister.
I've worked at a Renaissance fair after attending for several years. I've dressed up for Comic-Con. I've been reading comics for a really long time, since I was just a little kid. People would ask, what do you want to do when you grow up? And usually I would say archaeologist or something, just as long as I could play in the dirt. But my backup plan was totally to be Catwoman. I've been doing martial arts for more than half my life at this point. I studied Taekwondo and Hapkido first, and then I studied Kung Fu, and then more recently, for the last few years, I've been studying Shin-Kendo, which is a Japanese sword style. I lived in Japan for about a year recently, and I was teaching English as a second language. That was a really wonderful experience. My degree's in art history. I always have a book in my hand, but my fascination with the ancient Maya is really what got me involved in the show. I spent a month digging an ancient Maya ball court. That was so fun, and the people on it they worked so hard, and I learned so much. Archaeology is very dirty, and you have to be outside a lot, and you have to learn all the different kinds of mosquitoes. There are some that are like this really beautiful iridescent blue. There are some that actually have like yellow stripes, and some that have white stripes. They're beautiful, and they should all just die. And this is why I'm an art historian and art archaeologist. Hey, I'm Lily.
Lily?
Nice to finally meet you. It's so fun meeting these people and being able to satisfy their curiosity about the artifacts that they've come across. So, what do we have here?
Never seen anything like it.
I'm pretty clear it's a fossil, and I think a saber-toothed tiger tooth.
To be able to look them in the eye and say, I have answers for you. All right, you want my verdict?
Yeah, sure.
I also love encountering this sense of curiosity that you find in everyone, at every age.
Brace yourself. These are wicked cool.
It's like a little shield.
So you saw a face in the river.
Facing right up.
Wow.
It's wonderful to see that doesn't disappear.